Another lesson from the Metcash ERP implementation failure is that the project team was all in on Microsoft from the very start. Come hell or high water, the organization was going to use Microsoft tools for every nook and cranny of their business. Every need they had during the implementation was going to involve a Microsoft product, whether or not it was the right fit for them or not. And that's something that it can be a big challenge for a lot of organizations that think that by sticking with one vendor, they're going to solve all of their problems with that one solution, and that's just not the case. Now, one of the reasons why the Metcash team seemed to have a bias toward Microsoft was that they conducted a comparison of SAP versus Microsoft, and they ultimately landed on Microsoft because one small part of their company had been using Microsoft Dynamics 365 allegedly successfully. And so there's an internal bias towards Microsoft, thinking that if Microsoft could work for this one small part of their business, then surely it must be able to work for the rest of their business. And whether or not Microsoft is the right fit, I couldn't tell you because I haven't worked with this client directly. But what I can tell you is that oftentimes organizations put the blinders on and they think overly highly or overly optimistically of a certain software vendor. And as it turns out, implementing Microsoft D365 at one small location within Metcash is very different than rolling out Microsoft D365 across the entire diversified business.